guess he left. I'm just... Do you think I could come over, please? We really gotta talk.
Scandy.
I don't know, I'm having a really hard time with this. I don't think we can keep doing this anymore. We gotta talk, okay?
You should slide through and get faded. And I swear you've been contemplating. You a good girl and you know that. Smile on your face but you're heartbroken. Holding back your tears when you break down. You and your man need a break from each other. Y'all too toxic when you stay together. I could be the reason you forget that. I could be the reason you get back.